and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the differences between offline and online teaching methods and exploring the benefits and tools associated with each approach. So let's dive right in. Offline methods of teaching are typically conducted in a physical location, such as a classroom or a training center. They offer a structured learning environment with face-to-face interactions between teachers and students. On the other hand, online methods take place in a virtual space, allowing for remote learning and flexibility in terms of location. When it comes to flexibility, online methods have the upper hand. They provide a more flexible timescale, allowing students to access learning materials at their convenience. Online learning is often more casual and self-paced, enabling individuals to learn at their own speed. One of the major advantages of online methods is that they are unrestricted in terms of location and time. Learners can access educational content from anywhere in the world, as long as they have an internet connection. This makes education accessible to a broader audience and allows for a more inclusive learning experience. Online methods are often massive in nature, offering a wide range of courses and resources. Platforms like massive open online courses, or MOOCs, provide access to a vast library of educational content, allowing learners to explore various subjects and topics. On the other hand, offline methods have their own set of advantages. Traditional classroom settings ensure that attendees are paying attention and actively participating in the learning process. Face-to-face interactions with teachers and peers create a more interactive and engaging environment. Offline methods also make it easier to retain knowledge and skills. The physical presence of textbooks, charts, images, and other teaching aids helps reinforce learning and understanding. Additionally, activities such as science experiments, group discussions, and hands-on exercises contribute to a deeper comprehension of the subject matter. Another benefit of offline methods is that they help build discipline. By attending scheduled classes or training sessions, learners develop a routine and learn to manage their time effectively. Now let's take a look at the tools used in both traditional and modern teaching methods. In offline teaching, tools such as blackboards, textbooks, charts, images, maps, and flashcards are commonly used. These tools provide a tangible and visual representation of information, making it easier for students to grasp concepts. On the other hand, modern or ICT-based teaching methods leverage technology to enhance the learning experience. LCD projectors, interactive whiteboards, computers, laptops, and videos are used to deliver engaging and multimedia-rich content. Tools like virtual labs and virtual reality (VR) allow students to explore and interact with simulated environments. Learning management systems, or LMS, play a significant role in online teaching. These platforms provide a centralized hub for course materials, assignments, assessments, and communication between teachers and students. They streamline the learning process and enable effective online collaboration. The use of information and communication technology (ICT) in teaching has led to the digitalization of education. Digital tools facilitate teaching, learning, assessment, and feedback. They provide interactive and engaging experiences that cater to the diverse learning needs of students. One innovative approach that has gained popularity is the flipped classroom. In this model, students have access to learning materials, such as videos or readings, before attending class. This allows them to familiarize themselves with the content beforehand, enabling more in-depth discussions and interactions during face-to-face sessions. Whether you prefer offline or online teaching methods, it's important to leverage the benefits and tools available to create an effective learning environment. Combining the strengths of both approaches can lead to a comprehensive and engaging educational experience. And that concludes our video on the differences between offline and online teaching methods. We hope you found this information useful and gained insights into the various tools used in traditional and modern education. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.